Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your CVS account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. If you've forgotten your CVS account password, start by navigating to the CVS website. On the home page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to be directed to the login page. Below the login fields, locate the Forgot Password link and click on it. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your CVS account. Type in your email address carefully and then click on the Send Email button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from CVS. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to be directed to the password reset page. On this page, enter a new password that meets the required criteria. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After entering the password, click on the Submit button to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the CVS login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button to access your CVS account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CVS customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.